Preparation, splicing, of one cable entering the junction box to connect the alarm detector. Open the knockout in the junction box. Insert the cable into the knockout in the junction box and staple the cable within 12 inches from the box. The cable should be between 12 and 18 inches long when it enters the junction box. Strip the cable jacket. The cable sheath, jacket, should protrude beyond the entrance to the enclosure, junction box, not less than 1/4 inch. Push the wires into the junction box, hold them in place. Grab all the wires and cut them at the front of your fist. Fold the wires and neatly push them into the junction box.